Hello students, here we are discussing about average velocity of a projectile. If we look at projectile, two things we have to remember. Number one, projectile motion is an example for planar motion where it consists of two components of velocities, x component and y component. The second point is, throughout the motion for a projectile, acceleration remains constant. When acceleration remains constant, we can find average velocity by using the formula VAV is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. So, this is how we have to find out average velocity of the projectile when an acceleration remains constant. So, in this case, for the projectile, this question is asked: find average velocity of a projectile projected with an initial velocity u making an angle theta with horizontal. So, first we have to find out average velocity in between point of projection and maximum height. So, if you take point of projection along x axis, if you take the component of velocity is u cos theta, y component is u sin theta. At the maximum height, x component is u cos theta, y component is 0. By considering this information, we can calculate for along x axis Vax is equal to, at the point of projection u means u cos theta, and at the maximum height it is also u cos theta. Throughout the motion, horizontal component of velocity remains constant. So, from this, the average velocity along x axis is equal to u cos theta. Similarly, along the y axis, u means u sin theta, whereas at the maximum height in the vertical direction component of velocity 0. Therefore, Vay u sin theta plus 0 by 2. Then resultant average velocity is given by under root Va x square plus Va y square. Substituting these values, Var is equal to under root u square cos square theta plus u square sin square theta divided by 4. On simplification, we will get the resultant average velocity is equal to u by 2 into under root 1 plus 3 cos square theta. This is how in between any 2 points average velocity can be calculated by using the formula Vav is equal to u plus v by 2. And if we consider second point, in between point of projection and point of striking, that average velocity is calculated to be Vav is equal to u cos theta. In the similar manner, in between any 2 points which are at the same height, by using the same concept, that is Vav is equal to u plus v by 2, in between any 2 points which are at the same height, the average velocity is calculated to be u cos theta.